Pull up, 2 points. Bumps, 2 points. Easy basket, 2 points. Santuloy. Justin, mag-ipon naman. Easy basket. Our score. Ayan na. Nice cut. Yun. Saka points there. Hey! Basket. Hard. Easy basket by Ryan. 15 to shoot. Basket. Pass to Kuya Carl. Easy basket. Easy basket. 50 seconds. Papalangit. Short. Kuya Carl. Inaantay. Grabe talaga yung moves na yun. Sending.
Sa labiga, ito ang aking Subaru, matulog Ferrari. Ang tayo pupunta, may ikaw na party. Yung reset sa dahil sa hotel dun sa Makati.
3 points kay Ryan.
Nalaman ko lagay na makakagigit. Hindi nyo kailangan yung bakit.
Easy layup. Babas tatlo. No good. Short. Maski. No good sa rin. 2 points by Maski. Good. Step up. Block. Easy basket. Kabang na sila.
Punching lang nga siyempre. Tinry ko rin niya para hindi ano. Para hindi para hindi mapulutan sa mga tambayan. Siyempre lang muna.
No good.
Pagka
Steve.
kaso pag tinitin ko na
Easy basket by Justin. Easy basket. Long three. Short. Sa kanya pa rin. Easy basket. 10 to shoot. 2 points. Naman na shoot. 2 points. Shot. Pasa pa pala yun. Easy basket. 2 points by Maski. LeBron. 2 points by Ibanez. Short. Pedro, easy basket. Easy basket by LeBron. 2 points by Bilibet. No good. Rebound by Ibanez. Easy basket. Ah, 3 points. Mateo. 3 points by 5. Uy. 30 seconds remaining. 5. 5. Hey. Easy basket by LeBron. Mateo. 2 points. Bumawi. 2 points. Another easy layup. 2 points by Ibanez. 5 minutes remaining. Grabe. Easy. 2 points by Maski. 5 minutes remaining. 2 points by number 28. All 27. ito. Matino, isa. 2 points. Time remaining 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Easy basket by Patrick. Seven at one. 2 points. 5. 2 points. Masjid. Good. 2 points. Minute and 13 seconds. 2. Last 1 minute. 2 points. Minama. O automatic buzzer na lang ha. O automatic buzzer na lang. 5 seconds remaining. Grabe yung press na yun. Easy layup by Ibanez. Easy layup by Akio.
Uy, 17.
2 points. Two points by Mateo. Tio. 2 points by Gresha. Easy layup. 5 to shoot. 2 points. Bang! 3 points. Bang! 3 points. Bang! Ulit. Mateo, easy basket. Bang! 13 seconds. Nice pass. O, lilipad. Easy basket by Justin. 2 points by Ibanez. 3 seconds. Grabe. Shot clock off. 15 seconds. 2 points. Grabe. 2 points. Nice pass. 2 points. Hey, 2 points by Justin. Ibanez, easy layup. Easy layup by Felipe. No good. 2 points. 2 points. 3 minutes remaining. Two points by LeBron. Another shot by Akio. Gumulong. 3 points. Sayang. 2 points by Akio. Good. 2 points. Bang! 3 points. 5. Good. Rebound by San Pedro. Back to Mateo. Easy basket. 50 seconds remaining.